Okay, in a previous video we looked at how to get Microsoft Photos and get it installed on your computer. Now we're going to look at how to open it up and the basics of setting up a video project. So to begin with, you'll want to use your search bar down here, or in some other way, just look for Photos. You'll find it right here. If you don't see this here, it probably means you haven't installed it on your machine. You should go to the Microsoft Store, find it and install it. It's a free app. And once you get into Photos, you want to look up here for video projects. So there are actually a number of different things you can do here, but we're interested in video projects. And then we're interested in creating a new video project. Now, you have a couple of existing ones that I could open and edit, but we would like a new one, so I'll click on there. And I don't yet have access to the videos that I'd like. So just to clarify, you create a folder or a space on your Windows machine. You put the videos into it. If you'd like, you can put JPEGs or PNG files or other, image files in there, because they can be incorporated into a video if you'd like. And then you simply click Folders and add a folder. That will allow you to browse to the folder where you've put all your project files. So I'm gonna, in my case, I'll just say go here, and I'm gonna add that folder. And if I go into that folder, you can see that there are several videos already in there. Now, you may not be able to tell by looking at the thumbnails which video is which, but if you lay your mouse over, it's going to give you the name. So that's my sample 1 video, that's my sample 2 video. Okay, there's a third video in there, but I don't need that as part of this project. So what I'm going to do for right now is I'm just going to select sample 1, and notice the Create button becomes active, and I can simply click Create to start the process. Okay, it's going to take a couple of seconds to do this. It's going to allow me to name it now. So I'm going to say trimming video. That's what this one's going to be about. And now I've got the video on the timeline and it's ready for action. So next video we're going to look at how to trim this, or how to drop pieces out of this video. And then we'll also look at how to splice videos together.